All Manipur Bank Employees Association ki Taramathoi Suba State Conference Amadi All Manipur Cooperative Bank Employees Federation ki Nipan Suba State Conference ngasi PANGTHOKKHRE Manipur State Cooperative Bank Limited ki Head Office Building the PANGTHOKKIBA Conference aduda Comrade CS Venkatachalam, General Secretary AIBEA, All India Cooperative Bank Employees Federation AICBEF ke leaders, Comrade Ravi Kumar, General Secretary Amadi Comrade Edward Linsing, Deputy General Secretary Nachingba Sarvyaki, Lonina Comrade Gaurav Sharma, General Secretary Assam Provincial Bank Employee Association, Comrade Mitra Basu, Joint General Secretary All India Retired Federation Comrade Dr. Marangthem Nara, President AICTU Manipur State Committee na Conference aduda Saryaki. Conference aduga Mari Lenina CH Venkatachalam na Paumi Singaw na Bamada Fongdokibada Laiba Cooperative Bank Singna Loan Pithokhraga Loan Hangalaktabagi Awabasing Aduki Madik Mayoknai Maramaduna Recapitalization Mathautai Public Sector Bank Amadi Cooperative Bank Singna Thavak Asigi Laivak asigi achoba thaudang ama lauri maramaduna makhoigi mathau lepa yade adubu laivak thibadi lengakna privatize tawna ba honari hariba bank singasi private investor natroga domestic investor natroga foreign investor da yonthokna ba khuzin thorang silli thawong asina makhata na chatharabadi pungkun marigi manungda country sinba thungna strike tawgani amarom da NPA chanaduna loan sing recovery tawduna bank ningchina chalaiba ngamnaba honaba tangai fade amasung bank ki award palaiba lakh ani henbagi vacancy sing naha singda fanghandana Thamliba asi athubada thabak hapkadabani thabak fangdaba larik laishu hairaba naha kaya taduna lairiba asi hariba vacancy sing asida thabak hapkadabani vacancy sing asi watpana customer service da mapung fahanba ngamdana lairi loinena banki 3-tier system thamduna interest wangbana maram oiraga awaba kaya miyamna thengnariba asi hanta hannabagi damak second 2-tier system da thamduna miyam gi yaifana ba thabak paikhatgadabani banking system asi yamna maru oidibani adubu paleba lengakna profit khagi khanduna bank sing asi yonthokna ba honari masi akan mumong de yaninde haba wafam su mahakna thamki
The total profit of the gross profit, operating profit of the public sector banks was 21 lakhs crores. And out of that, you'll be surprised, 18 lakh crores have been used to provide for bad loan, to write off bad loans. That means 80%, 85% of the profits are going to write off bad loans. So we want to change this policy. Bank should recover the money. Even in the cooperative banks also, loans are not coming back. Unless the money comes back, there will not be recycling. And that is why even cooperative banks are facing difficulty. We are demanding recapitalization. Cooperative banks and public sector banks are playing a good role, and that is to be continued. But unfortunately, present government wants to privatize the banks. They want to sell these banks to some private investors, maybe domestic, maybe foreign. So we are opposed to that, and we have decided that if there is any attempt on the part of the government or the Reserve Bank to privatize the nationalized banks, then there will be strikes all over the country within 24 hours. We will oppose any privatization.